It's already working. All right. Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all doing? What's up? So, my name is Omo JV, and this is my YouTube channel. Please, guys, I'm here to introduce my YouTube channel. I'm going to be telling you a lot of things you don't know about me, things you are going to be expecting to see in this channel. Please, guys, so let's get right into this video without further ado. Oh, so you're still here. So if you lasted this long, let's get talking. As you can see, my name is Omo JV, and this is my YouTube channel. In this channel, I'm going to be posting a lot of things, a lot of video, the one that is trending, the one that you want to watch. I'm going to be doing hair review, makeup tutorial, traveling vlog, giving you vlog, everything. I'm going to be doing a lot of prank, and I'm going to be doing what's it called, review of cream, the one that are bad, not the good ones, the one that are bad, because in the market there are a lot of bad cream, the one that you put on your skin that is not good. So I'm going to be doing review of those kind of things, and I'm going to be taking you through how to do your COVID test when you are going to Nigeria, how to do to download the app, do everything that concerns Nigeria. And I'm going to be taking you along with me to Nigeria, passing through everything. I'm going to be filming the video. So please, guys, subscribe so that you will see everything that I'm going to be doing, and turn on the notification bell so that when I post new video, you will be able to receive it. And I will be posting video every Wednesday 7 p.m. and on Saturday 7 p.m. So please, guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't let me fall, because I come to this YouTube to share. I come to share. So better subscribe for this beautiful girl, because I am not going nowhere. I go nowhere. Yes, that's what I'm saying. Yes, I'm not going nowhere. So better subscribe. I'm just joking, guys. Can you see I'm just beautiful? So this is the kind of makeup I'm going to be doing for you guys, so that I will be showing you guys how I look, where I'm looking kinky and beautiful with my natural self. Yeah. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. As you can see, I'm new. Please support me so that the channel will not go away. And I'm going to be showing you some app that when you use it for your channel will never grow. Yes, I'm going to be reviewing a lot of things about that app, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to upload video. If you want to upload video to YouTube, if you want to do different kind of things, I'm going to be teaching you people that one also. So please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, whether in laptop or in phone. So without further ado, let's get right into this video and wait for next Saturday for the real G. This is just the starting. I'm glowing and I know it. So guys, I'm a mother of two, sexy mother of two, yeah, and a beautiful wife. So I'm going to be taking you through the journey of this video. I know that I have a lot of so subscribe. See you in my next one. Peace out. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. Thank you, guys. See you in my next one.